Thomas and Percy enjoy docks. They like the air valley and the sound of silence.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
But one day the friends were feeling
stupid.
A crane was causing trouble. His name is Cranky Wanky, and this was his first name. "You useless little sot," he called from above. "If you put these trucks on the inside lines, then I wouldn't have so far to travel." "Fuck off," said Thomas.
You're a piece of
shit, Cranky Wanky. "The fuck did you say?" And Cranky bang. Later, the two engines met Gordon and James and told them about Wanker. "Cranes are airy-fairy things. They need a lot of camp, like me, in fact," said Gordon. "You should see the situation from Cranky's point of view," huffed James. "He's high." When Cranky heard that the big engines agreed with him, he grew bossier still. Come on,
I have to."
But Percy was too pissed to concentrate and pushed the trucks too far. Percy.
Ha ha! Don't call me Percy. No, you.
Then, Cranky played a trick on
Pat and Matt.
"Hey, you down there! Push your trucks onto the outside line. It's easier for me to load up." "What?"
Ha ha!
"You must have known my can't reach you there," complained Crank. Rasp. The Fat Controller was most upset. "Thomas and Percy."
You're a very naughty engine."
"What the fuck, sir?"
What the fuck did you just fucking say about me, you little bitch? I'll have you. Now I graduate top of my class in the Navy SEALs. Cranky was delighted. "Hey, you down there! Your job's done now. These balls are taking over. One of them wants to fart on you." A little later, Percy met up with Thomas and James. Another horse was being rude to them. Then he saw Percy. "Oh, look, it's a little green bollocks on wheels. You'll be crapped on. Just you wait and see." "Not again!" Disgusting.
agreed James. Next to meet horse was
Pat and Matt.
Well. No wonder you're in a mess. You're useless as shit. Just you fuck off.
1 hour later.
When Toby arrived, he saw the horse from the quarry again. It was loaded with cocaine. The driver was thrown in the bin.
Fuck my life.
He muttered. Percy looked at the balls. "What's this sack of steaming bollocks?" he teased. "Pa," said Percy, "I'm fat on him." Then Butch the Butch arrived. "What happened?" asked Toby's driver. "He overdosed on crack," came the reply, and he broke down. "Useless motherfucker," said Toby. Replied the balls. Then James whistled excitedly. "They're bringing in the third balls on a barge." "What happened to that one?" James asked. "Stupid bastard fell straight down the
Toilet,"
said the tow truck man. Later, Thomas arrived. He looked at the three balls and laughed. Cranky, Wanky and the balls didn't return, and the engines now work even harder to make sure they never will.